Hello guys. A lot of you, when you do, for example, a stop loss, you buy a stock, you put a stop loss, after a few days and your stop loss got triggered, so you exit the trade. So what do you do after that? Okay, so this is the question of today. I will be answering your question, and I will show you what I do with these stocks that I exit by stop loss. Now here, when I say stop loss, it means that you lost little money. Okay, I'm not speaking about when the stock is moving, which is normally the same, but I'm trying to do the first thing. Okay, so let's go and just explain the thing first for you. There are a lot of people that they know how to use the stop loss. Some they have taken my training, and others I will just give them just a clear idea about it. Okay, so let's go to the diagram here. So the thing is, let's say you find here is a stock moving like this, and then one day you bought the stock. Let's say you bought the stock at $20. I always give this example. $20. This is where you bought the stock here. This is the buy. Most of the time, when in the chart, when I use the green line, this green line shows me that this is the price. Green line is what we call the buy line. It means the price where I bought. Now in the chart, I will show you later. If I click on this link, in this line in the chart, it will give me the price that I bought with, which is $20. Now, let's say you put a stop loss here. Stop loss. Stop loss is just a way not to lose too much when you do the trade. Okay, let's say after a few days, one day or two, the stock goes a little bit up and then go down, up. It crosses your stop loss. It means you exit. Now let's say this exit is $19. Just an example, okay? $19 you exit. Now this is one trade. Okay, so in this situation, the stock goes down. Let's say here it's 1885. Just an example. Today, 1885. This is where the stock price today, and this is a few days ago. So here, what do you do after that? Now, after that, you should wait a few days and see. If the stock continues to go down, okay, just to go down many days, let's say now it is 1650, okay, now here it means that your stop loss, you are right, okay, it means when you exit, you are right, and this is the ideal thing. It means whenever a stock goes down, it hits your stop loss, continue to go down. This is the ideal thing. It means that this stock will not trend up, and now it is trending down. So it's the opposite direction. Now understand that when the stock is going the opposite, it means your direction. It means you are making money. But here you are not making money, so you should exit quickly and lose just little money as an insurance. This is what we call like an insurance. Okay, in insurance, what does it mean? It means you pay little money because you are wrong. Okay, because you are wrong in the direction of the stock. The stock is not going up, it's going down, and you think that the stock is going up. So this is one scenario that sometimes happen. Now, let's go to the second. Let's go now to the second step. You buy a stock, you put stop loss, few days, it goes down, it hits your stop loss. Okay, what you should do else? Now, let's go and explain the second procedure. Now, you take this trade or this, let's say this stock is called XYZ, just an example of stock symbol. Now, you go to your chart and you make a portfolio. A portfolio, just a name of your stocks here. And then you put your stocks 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever stocks that you have in the month or in the 2 months or 3 months, you put them here. Now, what do you do with these stocks that you exit? What do you do with them? So the thing here is, whenever you click a stock, you will find like this, that you have bought at 20, $19 is the red, and the stock is going down. But fortunately, there are some stocks that will go back. Okay, so here what you should do, let's say here, okay, what you should do here, the stock goes down a few days, but after a few days it goes up, it hits your stop loss again, and it goes up and it hits your green line buy again. Okay, so whenever it goes to your green line here, you buy again. Now, why you do that? If you have money, because when you put 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, maybe you don't have money. But since the stock, you have done a mistake and the stock was going down, you exit because you have stop loss, and after 1 day or 2 or 3 or 1 week or 2, the stock go up again. It means that this stock that you choose is good, but it is just the time when you buy it here. You buy it at $20 in that day. Let's say it's 12 April, just an example, okay? So 12 April, when you bought this stock here at $20, it was not the good day to buy. So you attempt a second time here. So there is no wrong with that, because you bought it here, you can buy it here again. Now, if you bought it here again and it goes up again, it goes up, so you will make this stock that was this here, that was a loser, you make a loser a winner in the future. Okay, you will make a winner in the future. Now understand that the most important thing for you is to make money. Although you put a stop loss, you are wrong in it, and the stock has been going up, it doesn't matter when you buy it. Forget about this thing that you have lost before. Let's say it is $100 because the stop loss from 20 to 19 is $1 and you bought 100 shares, so you lost $100. But understand that the stock here from 20, it can go to $25 or 30 or 40. You can make more money than what you lose. 100, maybe you can make 500 or 800 or 1,000, depending on how much share you bought and depending on your account. Okay, now let's here I give you an example that I exit recently, so you just check it. Okay, so I give you a real example that I check it and I exited, I bought, I exited. I don't know, I will not tell you when I bought the stock, but I will show you the stock. And then I exit this trade this week. So when I exit, I will put this stock into my portfolio and I follow it to the future. Okay, so let's see this stock. Maybe all of you know. This is called ANF, Abercrombie and Fitch Co. It's just an apparel store, and you see the big trend that I followed. Now here, okay, here I put a stop loss here. So in this day, which is Thursday, 19 April, Thursday, and I exit. This is my exit. Okay, this is my stop loss because I have profit, so I exit here. Now take this trend thing. Now what do you think I will do with this? So what do I do with this? Is just I will leave it into a portfolio. If this stock next week goes up again and makes new highs, it means it's going up good, like these green things, green candlesticks, I will keep it and I will buy it again. Okay, so this is just a way to do business, and this is what I do always, and this is what I suggest you guys. This is what I suggest you guys to do. This is very, very interesting. If the stock comes back, you will be able to buy this stock again and make money. So there is another guy who tell me, okay, why you do all this? Why you put stop loss and then you exit with a loss and then you come back and then you buy it again? It's a lot of things that you do, and it's not necessary that you do. Why you don't just leave it? The problem is that if you are following a stock and you exit it and you leave it, it's going down. I will show you now in the chart. Let's say I will give you an example. I don't know if I still remember this example. Okay, now let's see. I just give you an example. Just see this example. I'm not going to say you trade it or not, but let's say here the stock was here in this stop. It was 32.38, and you put stop loss just last here. Let's say it is 31.10. Okay, now here what happened. Let's say you leave the stock going down and you are waiting until the stock goes up. Okay, so it was $30 or 31, and before it was 32 or 33. You were here. It means you are trading this stock. It's very good. But what if this stock goes down? When are you going to buy when are you going to sell it? So this is the problem I'm talking about. It happens a lot in the market. And don't let the stock go down without stopping it. Because whenever it goes down, it takes from your money. Let's say it continues to go down until here, let's say 14. So you will be losing 50% of your money. Now, if you do just 1 or 2 or 3 trades in the year like this, believe me, all your money is gone. That's why in terms of management, it means risk management, you should always stop the thing that takes your money, because money, it is taking cash from you, from the trade that you do. You put 5,000, 10,000, 200, 100,000, $50,000 in a trade. And you see that the stock each week it takes 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10. And then you see that all your trade disappear. Okay, so that's why try not to leave unattended trades. This is as if you leave your wallet just in the street, and you go you put it just on the car, and you go inside the home. So you say, oh, this is stupid. Yes, you are doing stupid things in trading more than outside. Outside you keep the thing secret and the thing, but here in the stock market you just buy a stock and leave it. This is a horrible thing that you do, or if you don't control the risk. Now put all the stocks, as I told you, into a portfolio, and each day follow them. If there is stock come back, it's very good. At least you will be safe not to leave the stock going down, because you will never know where it goes. I have just showed you a stock that goes 50% loss. So if you put your stop loss 2% or 5 or 6 or 10, depending on your strategy, depending on the stock, okay, depending on the stock itself, how it moves. So whenever you put a stop loss, if you exit, put it into what you call a portfolio, and then wait for it. If it goes up, buy it again, and it might have another trend, and you will be making money, and you will cover back what you have lost, $100, $200, or $300, or $500, or whatever, and then you can continue and make money. And this, almost all the losers that you have, it becomes winners. And this is some techniques that I showed you. I know some they have been trading too long, but I'm trying to give you and to help you guys with whatever I know. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and share it, and please comment if you have any question, private question. My email is in the description. You just go to the description and send me a private email. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.